Hi everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be diving into two sublimation papers that can really achieve dark black tones, TexPrint XPHR and Neenah Jetcol DHS. If you've been customizing sublimation blanks for a while, you may have felt that while your transfers are clear and colorful, their black tones aren't consistently dark. Now this can particularly be evident with logos or graphic designs that are either only black or use the color heavily. The best workaround for this is using a sublimation paper that releases more of the printed ink as a gas dye when heat pressed, such as TexPrint XPHR or Neenah Jetcol DHS. Here are two 11-ounce Orca mugs applied with a black and white test pattern on each paper. And here's another mug with the same pattern, but on TexPrint R, which doesn't appear as dark as you'll see it on the other mugs. Due to the nature of sublimation mugs, such differences will appear more noticeable compared with other substrates. Take these two Unisub coasters with an inverted white logo, for example. The XPHR and Jetcol DHS coasters almost make no difference from each other, but both still display near perfect black tones. However, the TexPrint R coaster is short of displaying the blacks as clearly. Finally, here is a polyester polo with two full color chest logos. As Neenah Jetcol DHS is only recommended for hard substrates, we'll be comparing TexPrint R and XPHR side by side. It's a bit harder to tell the difference, though XPHR still wins for displaying clearer blacks. All in all, if you intend on transferring many black logos or graphic designs through sublimation, we recommend using TexPrint XPHR as it maintains black dyes and colors as greatly as it does with the other colors. Neenah Jetcol DHS is another good alternative if you're mainly working with hard substrates like coffee mugs. To learn more about sublimation paper, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can give a My Expert representative a call at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thank you so much for watching.